This brings us pretty close to these apartments. Sheesh. Victoria Restaurant, that's the name of the hotel as well, Victoria Hotel. Oh, we can actually go through Victoria Hotel too. Didn't even know this was here. Huh. Got all these giant balconies like that. Huh. It looks like it goes down to the inn down that way and down to this way. So I think what we're gonna do is just walk down it a little ways to see. Oh, dark in here too. So we're gonna walk in. So it looks like there's a lot of people playing different games, right? So you can see all the different games. Hey, check it out, Macau 2023. Check out some more streets. Okay, so check this out. We got Iohon in one direction, Mongha, which is like a mountain kind of side. This is a Templo, Mongha. Okay, there's like two for Mongha. Iohon, there's two for that one. Okay, so I guess basically it says like that way goes to Iohon, and okay, Iohon's that way, and then Mongha is down that way, and then the temple is down that way. So let's just kind of take a look at the site. So I think down this one it said Mongha, I think. So we're just gonna basically like just check it all out from this little vantage spot up here, because it's kind of interesting just to kind of see what Macau looks like from one of these. That's a hotel right there. We're not too far from the border. I looked into the hotel before. I was kind of curious what it'd be like to be in this kind of area, but actually the hotel was kind of overpriced and the rooms are really small. I asked just to look at it. I was just curious, and it was not of much interest. Okay. Okay. Triangular garden. Let's kind of take a look. I like those trees right there. There's a bunch of people riding bikes right there. Okay, so we're gonna have to choose a spot in a moment. So it's kind of interesting spot too. This brings us pretty close to these apartments. Sheesh. Really close. So I think what we're gonna do is go down. Victoria Restaurant, that's the name of the hotel as well, Victoria Hotel. So it looks like this hotel can just come right out into this space. So Victoria Restaurant, Victoria Hotel. Well, it looks like what I know what I'm going to call this video. And we're kind of this Aeropreta, so that's called Aeropreta Road. Aeropreta is kind of a big neighborhood up in this area. So yeah, Victoria, you got all these Victoria Hotel right there. So let's walk down towards Victoria. Across the street we have a park. So that's Victoria Hotel right there. Okay, we're also on something called Arco Road. I can see the road right there, Estrada do Arco. Oh, we can actually go through Victoria Hotel too. I'm kind of meandering on this one because I'm not focused on the street, which is usually what I anchor myself to. But I think it's okay. This is so interesting in here.
Be careful.
This is kind of good like this. Oh, this is kind of a cool little spot. Didn't even know this was here. Huh. Got all these giant balconies like that. Huh. It looks like it goes down to the inn down that way and down to this way. So I think what we're gonna do is just walk down it a little ways and to see if this is triangular, if we could go through that way. Looks like we can. Looks like that also goes to the main road as well. So yeah, that actually goes to the main road down that way as well. There's a gate right there as well. So that's the one that we just came in there. And then we're gonna try to go down this way as well. We'll just see what else we see. Kind of interesting. Oh, dark in here too. Huh. Now we're kind of coming into some other streets as well. So let me just kind of, I don't see any street name. But it also comes out here. So we came over there. No, it's kind of Victoria Hotel. So that's actually part of Victoria. It looks out over here. And then this kind of has these parking garage stuff. Huh. Kind of interesting. I don't see any street name at all anywhere. Okay, Mongha is right over there. So that that whole hill right there is Mongha. So this will lead right into that, and you can get a pretty good view up there as well. Huh, okay. There's a little Buddha right there as well. Huh. Kind of cool. Still don't know how to label this though. Like this street is kind of there's Arco Street. We kind of went into that little space like that. So I guess we're still looking to kind of ground it. So I think we might maybe go back to that same spot again. See if we can ground ourselves to maybe Estrada do Arco. So yeah, there's Estrada do Arco right there. This one's called Hua do Templo Lin Fong. So that one right there is Lin Fong, goes all the way down that way. So I think there's a temple down by Mongha. Then we got Estrada do Arco right here as well. And I guess we could probably just keep on walking all the way down that way as well. But I also want to get into this temple right there, so we're gonna probably that's Victoria Hotel again as well. So we're kind of in this Victoria Hotel area. So I think what we're gonna do is walk right over to that area right over there. And we'll ground ourselves with Victoria, and we'll ground ourselves with that temple over there. That okay, good, we got a green light. Yeah, this is really close to the border. So we are going to walk into this space. We're going to go right now, actually. So we're going to walk in. So it looks like there's a lot of people playing different games, right? So you see all the different games. Kind of cool. Okay, that's really cool. So we're just gonna kind of stroll through, and then we're gonna try to ground ourselves to maybe Victoria or Arco. Kind of cool though. This one you can put your feet and walk on it. So this one is kind of more for the feet. So let me just do this real quick. So this one is for circulation. Okay, so we're gonna walk back, get our feet, get our shoes back on again. Hey, check it out, Macau 2023. Check out some more streets.
baby.